Oh my goodness, finally. So I'm currently unboxing these, you guys, and what I can say right off the bat, these V4 headlights, they look so much more aggressive than the older versions. I want to give a thanks to King of Carbon Fiber, you guys, did for them to make this possible for us. Real quick, I'm going to take these out the box, but before we do get started, our channel sponsor. If you guys like to modify your Camry like me, or whatever car you drive, our channel sponsor KOCF has the largest collection of carbon fiber parts at the best prices. They specialize in real carbon fiber Gen 8 Camry parts, but have over 10,000 auto parts for countless makes and models. KOCF.com has everything from body kits, hoods, trunks, fenders, spoilers, RGB color changing headlights, tail lights, steering wheels, and many interior parts. They got it all. To support this channel and save 10%, use code KC10 at KOCF.com. If you own a Camry, go directly to KOCF.com/CamryVIP. And if you like what you see, consider becoming a VIP member before making any purchase. This way you can maximize your savings and get a $50 to $100 gift card. Once logged into your VIP account, you get exclusive access to the website, unlocking special VIP prices up to 50% off, group buys, exclusive member-only raffles, and my favorite, VIP members are automatically entered to win $1,000 a month in giveaways. Find them on Instagram at KingOfCarbonFiber. You can check them out there. Remember to use code KC10 at KOCF.com to shop for your favorite car parts and to support this channel. Alright everyone, so here we have the new V4 triple beam headlights, and they look so amazing, very nice and clean. I love how they have that L right there. That is so sick. We're gonna see how that function does work on the install, and as you guys can see, I haven't removed the plastic wrap over the headlights because when I install these, I want to make sure that that's still on, that way I do not scratch or damage them, especially when handling them. But you guys, oh my goodness, they look very beautiful and very amazing. Now we're going to go into a little of the designs and differences these have compared to the older models. What are you missing out exactly? But right off the bat, you guys can see the difference is definitely there, and the connections and the wiring, honestly, they look a little bit familiar. They're not really different. And I know a few of you guys are wondering, what is the difference? What did they change? What makes this so different to what I have already? For those that do have the older LEXUS headlights. Now, to start off, you guys can clearly see there is an L right there, and that is because they went ahead and redesigned these headlights and also give them this nice and black housing. The inside and the outside is all black, and on top of that, for those people that have had or have LEXUS headlights, you guys know the flaws those lights have. The thing is, they've already went ahead and improved the sealing and the seals in these headlights to make sure that no water, no humidity gets inside these headlights, you guys, because these are very pricey, but the performance they have and what they can do definitely do make up for it. So I would highly recommend you guys making sure when you guys get LEXUS headlights of any kind, make sure they are high quality and know who are you guys buying from, because these LEXUS headlights, the version 4, I could see right off the bat that they have definitely improved the design in that, and that's gonna help me make sure these headlights stay in top shape. I also want to point out, you guys, is that there is a clear marker right here. They as well will have the animated turn signal just like the older versions, and what they're saying is that these headlights are more brighter than even before. They are more bright than the older versions, and if you thought the old previous triple beams were bright, well, you guys, these things are gonna be bright more than before. So I am not going to be installing them in this video, but if you guys do want to see that install, let me know, comment down below, so that way I can upload this install for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but we'll see. Like I said, you guys, these are the new V4 triple beams, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video.